Welcome to SimplySportBikes.com. For sale today, I have a 2010 Kawasaki Ninja 250. This bike is practically brand new. It has just over 300 miles on it. The bike is extremely clean, all stock. Doesn't appear to have ever been crashed or tipped over. Bike is in really good shape. You can see the tires are basically brand new. All of our bikes do get fully inspected before they leave. We'll get it started here for you. As you can see, the bike starts and runs great. These 250s are awesome beginner bikes, a great place to learn how to start riding a motorcycle. Most of our bikes do come with a 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever should come first. If you have any other questions about this bike or any of our other bikes, please visit our location or give us a call at 952-941-0774.